Here's the chorus. So yeah, it's actually just those three parts, that whole song. We got verses, pre-chorus, and the chorus. This just have three chords: E minor, F, and C. The verses just have three chords. You got E minor, 0 2 2 0 0 0, F, 3 2 1 1, and C, 3 2 open 1 open. Pre-chorus is just three chords: E minor, F, stay on F, and drop down to C. So pretty much just like the verse. I don't want to give. So it's like. Yeah, it is the verse pretty much, but that's the pre-chorus. The chorus goes A minor to C to F, stay on F, and then go back to A minor. So. A minor is just open, open, 2 2 1 open to C, which is open 3 2 open 1 to F, which is open 3 2, so open open 3 2 1 1, and that's the chorus. You'll get it.